We'll guide you through how to turn on screen mirroring on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Mirroring your iPhone is really convenient. You could do this with a TV show, a movie, or just your screen in general. And you could do it to a TV, a MacBook, an Apple TV, and other devices as well. So we'll guide you through how this can be done. There's actually a really useful setting which is going to help prompt to do this. So what you can do is go and open up the settings app like so. Next, you need to go and scroll down and go and find the option for General, then scroll down and find AirPlay and Continuity. Just for context, AirPlay is essentially Apple's mirroring feature. So go and tap on it. So at the top, we can actually go and set up the automatic AirPlay feature. So tap there. So this is convenient. It says iPhones can ask to AirPlay or when able to automatically AirPlay, which is useful. So it may go and detect a nearby speaker or TV while playing content from apps. So that could be a TV show, a movie. So you can set to ask, which is convenient as you get prompted. Now for the next part of the video, make sure you've got your device ready. So for example, if it was a MacBook, make sure it's turned on. If it's a TV, make sure it's powered on. And what you need to do is make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That's really key. So you can come to your settings and go and check that in Wi-Fi. So make sure you connect to the same one. And then what you need to do is go and drag down in the top right of your iPhone like so to open the control center. And in here, you then need to go and find the AirPlay or screen mirroring button, which is these squares here. So go and tap on it. Now it's going to go and circle and it's going to go and find the devices. So you can go and see that mine's been found here, my MacBook Pro, but you may be doing this with TV, it doesn't matter. So what you can then do is go and tap on it like so, and now it's going to go and connect. In some cases, you'll need to go and approve it on the device you're doing this with. In this case, it's automatically connected, and you'll go and see this icon at the top here showing your mirroring. But in some cases, you may need to go and enter in a code on the iPhone, which is shown on the device. For example, with TV, often that's the first time you do it. You go and see, we can see that there, and you know you're mirroring as it's got that bar at the top. When it comes to stopping it, what you can do is tap the bar at the top like this, and then you can go and press stop mirroring. It's that simple.